Hi, good afternoon, everybody. There is a big storm right now brewing right here in California. As you can see, my neighbor's fence just fell right there because of the high winds. See? Their fence just fell. And it's really windy right now. And hope everybody will drive safe and avoid traveling for now, especially if you're going to the mountains or Reno or Tahoe. Make sure you have chains. Make sure you call or check driving conditions. All right, everybody stay safe, and if you're planning to travel to the mountains, make sure you bring chains, extra blankets, or extra jackets or water, okay, and food just in case. All right, take care, everybody.